In order to avoid overcrowding at the Corona Care Centres in Shillong, the Minister of Health and Welfare Department, Mr. A.L. Hek, along with Dr. Amanwar, Director of Health Services, inaugurated the COVID hospital at TB Hospital, Umsauli. At present, the hospital will cater to 50 patients, that being 25 males and 25 females, who show mild symptoms or who fall under the A, B, and C category.
With this step-down COVID hospital of the Shillong Civil Hospital, this inaugurated today to keep here for the A, B, and C positive cases. This will less the burden of the hospital, both the government hospital and also the private hospital. So definitely will be ease the burden of all other hospitals. At least some admission will be taking from today onward. Today we have inaugurated 50 beds, 25 for male, 25 for females. So within a week, maybe we will be ready for another 50 beds. Both for 50 for male, 50 for females. So total step-down COVID hospital will be 100 beds here. I have received the information. Definitely we are going to seek the report on what situation and what is the case it has happened to the date of that nurse. Definitely we are going to seeking the report.